Yo, it's your boy Chain J Woo Woo Jr. Hey, look, I'm at the car wash, right? And I just got done washing my 91 big box, goddamn Ford F-150 XLT. Okay? But now, while I'm up here at the car wash, I see Buddy with this Jeep, like my mama Jeep. She had a red Jeep. And boy, that motherfucker, that clean as hell. Boy, that motherfucker clean. My mama had a red one with the chrome package and everything. And man, she crying about that motherfucking Jeep. Your Jeep is the cleanest damn Jeep I done seen, bro. With the white wall, you got the gangster, you got the 3 inch, 4 inch.
3 inch.
Yeah, 3 inch. Yes, sir. Looking good, man. Man, look at here, that's pimping, man. That is some player shit. My name is James, sir. Yeah, that's my own Ford right there. Yeah.
Good.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. I do a little work. I do be doing custom work on cars, man. Okay. And I'm on YouTube. I got a YouTube channel. So just right quick, I wanted to get a little view of your little Jeep, man. I ain't never seen one clean as yours.
It looks better when I clean it up, man.
Yes, it does. Yes, sir. That black on black?
Yeah.
With the white. Where you get them damn tires?
I had to order them.
That's right, you ain't gonna tell nobody. My mama gonna see it. I'm gonna let my mama see your Jeep. She gonna cry about that.
Yeah.
She had a red Wrangler.
What happened to her?
Man, my mama, she been parking her Jeep on a curb on the side of the road in front of her house for the longest.
Okay.
Right? Somebody a female came on the phone in a Tahoe. Hit the telephone pole and hit the rear of her Jeep. So when she made the claim, they wanted to total it out. They gonna total it out. Now she ain't had to do that, but them folk gave her $11,000 for an old Jeep.
Okay.
So now you know she caught good in that thing. Let me cut my